Okay, so I'm pretty sure the Walgreens guy thought we were retarded.
Let's take a picture.
You love me, fool me. Oh, how you do me, kiss me, say that you miss me. Tell me what I wanna hear. Tell me you love me, Let me be the one who calls you baby. Are you doing the time?
Oh my gosh, I don't feel like singing at all right now anymore.
You don't feel like singing for justice.
No, I don't feel like singing right now. Can we do it tomorrow? I love you.
Let me be the one who never leaves all alone. I hold my breath and lose a beat. I'm on my own. Hold me to time. Stay by my side. Let me be the one who calls baby all the time. I found my place in the world and stare at your face the rest of my days. I just messed up. Now I can turn my inside out and smother me. Warm in the light I'm all over you. Would you smother me, smother me, smother me?
Let's take the red in half.
My foot wants to kiss you.
Oh, I can't even laugh. You're gonna be in our YouTube video.
Wait. Caleb.
Oh, I wish we could come outside.
Let's go.
I can't. She's so awake. Like, she's like sitting there watching her. So.
Play all night, hey, let's get it poppin'. I'm in Miami, bitch. Everybody on Smash.
I gotta ask him, cause if I don't, it's poppin'. I don't know. It's poppin'. Let's go.
No, that's too weird. All those random crap. It's not even funny anymore.
Hi, my name's Wrigley. I'm sexy.
You make me happy, whether you know it or not. We should be happy. That's what I said from the start.
Stop.
Guala. Oh yeah. Soldier boy.
Night.
Night. Love you.
Love. Please, I love you.
Coming at your mouth with your blah blah blah. Zip your lip like a padlock. And meet me in the back with the jack of the jukebox. I don't care where you live at. Just turn around, boy, let me hit that. Don't be a little bitch with your chit chat. Just show me where your dick is at. Listen high.
Are we doing it for YouTube? Wait, restart it, because this was gay.
No, I feel.
I was listening to my phone the whole time.
We're gonna copy it.
Okay.